welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my foundation routine. So if you want to see how I do my foundation, then just keep watching. So I like to start off by spraying my face with Fix Plus since it's a prep and prime. But since I already have my eyes done, I'm going to cover them so that way I don't mess them up. I'm going to let that dry, and then I will take the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. It's the pink one, and then I will put some on my forehead, on my cheeks, my nose, and my chin. And then I'll rub my hands together and rub it in. And then while I'm letting that dry, I like to do a mix of a couple different foundations to get like my right tone and the right dewiness to matte level, if that makes sense. So I take 2 pumps of CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir in shade 710. And I have a little thing, I think this came out of a palette. And I just mixed my foundation on it. More like I do like a pump and a half. And then I take a pump of the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in Ivory. Add that. And then I take just a little bit of, well, I have been recently, of this Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation in the shade Y225. And then I will take the back end of a brush and mix that all together. And then I take a damp beauty blender and I dot this foundation mixture all over my face. And then I pounce it out. And then I blend it down to my neck. Just to make sure I don't have like a very apparent line. Wipe off my mouth to make sure I don't have any foundation on it. And then I take the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light, conceal under my eyes, dots on my forehead, down my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. And then I spot conceal any areas where I need more coverage with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in Light Ivory. And then I go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 5, which is Fair. And I set primarily on the spots where I put concealer, but with whatever is left, I kind of pounce it around my whole face. I just take, and if I need a little bit more, I get a hair amount. I get very oily, so I need to set my face. And then I'm going to take this big e.l.f. brush and dust off any excess powder. And then I'm going to spray myself a little bit of MAC Fix Plus to melt this powder in a little bit. I'm going to take my beauty blender and just bounce it around a little bit to really push that powder in. I'm going to get the foundation, concealer, or powder, whatever it is, on my lip right now. So now I'm going to take this e.l.f. light matte bronzer with this e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm just going to contour my face a little bit. That one a little dark. I'm going to take this fluffier brush with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze the forehead and the face a little. And down the neck a little. And then I'm going to take the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Feisty. And then I'm going to take this big fluffy brush and just diffuse that a little more. And then I'm going to take the ABH Liquid Glow in Oyster. I'm going to take that with my beauty blender and just blend that on my cheekbones. I'm going to put a little on my nose as well. And I'm going to keep it. I'm going to take this IBY Radiant Glow highlighter in Pink Pearl and just give myself a more blinding highlight. And then I'm going to take the the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in Dreamy. And that is it for my base makeup routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.